Why you can't stay consistent. Why do we start things, but never finish them? This is you. Full motivation. Day 1. You decide to start something new, maybe a YouTube channel, working out, or learning a skill. Day 3. It gets a little harder. You don't see results yet, but you keep going. Then suddenly, you stop. No motivation. No energy. You quit. But the problem isn't laziness. The real problem is this: too big goals. You're trying to do too much, too fast. 1-hour workout, daily uploads, waking up at 5 a.m. Your brain rejects it. So here's the solution: start small. Really small. 1 push-up, 5 minutes of work, 1 simple video. Make it so easy, you can't fail. Consistency beats intensity. After a few days, it becomes a habit. After a few weeks, it becomes part of you. You don't need motivation. You need a system you can follow, even on bad days. If this made sense, follow for more simple stories like this, subscribe and stay consistent.